Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. In this video, I'm demonstrating my AI Disclosure Coach, or AI DiCo, a generative AI prototype designed to help students, faculty, and staff use AI transparently, ethically, and collaboratively in their academic and professional work. AI DiCo is grounded in collaborative learning theory and built to support reflective dialogue, so instead of simply giving answers, it encourages users to think with AI, not rely on it passively. Today, I'll briefly introduce the purpose and theory, then show a live demonstration of how the prototype works. Across higher education, AI adoption has grown rapidly, but many learners still feel unsure about whether they can use AI, how to disclose it, and how to preserve authorship and integrity. Faculty also face ambiguity and inconsistent expectations around transparency. AI DiCo was created to address this gap. It offers a structured, supportive space where students can reflect on their AI use, receive guidance about ethical practices, and create accurate disclosure statements. This goes beyond compliance. It promotes shared meaning-making between humans and AI, which aligns with the goals of collaborative learning. AI DiCo is grounded in Vygotsky's sociocultural theory, where learning happens through dialogue, interaction, and scaffolding. Within this framework, the AI acts as a co-facilitator that prompts reflection, asks questions, and encourages learners to articulate their reasoning. I also integrated principles from cyber civility and cyber ethics, both emphasizing respect, responsibility, and integrity in digital spaces. AI DiCo is therefore designed not as a tool that replaces human agency, but one that strengthens ethical awareness and supports collaborative sense-making. AI DiCo was built initially in Duke's MyGPT Builder, but is now being migrated into Microsoft Copilot Studio due to Duke Health's data governance requirements. The system includes a structured system instruction, a curated knowledge base composed of policies, ethical frameworks, and peer-reviewed literature, reflective prompts, multiple disclosure templates, and an ethical safeguards layer reminding users to verify and apply professional judgment. This supports transparency, institutional alignment, and responsible deployment. Let me show you how the prototype works. In this demo, I will show how AI DiCo helps students generate ethical disclosure statements for their academic work. The process starts with a simple prompt. The user asks AI DiCo to initiate a role-play scenario, distinguishing between faculty and students and offering guidance on ethical disclosures. AI DiCo immediately adopts the persona. It greets the user warmly and asks for their role to tailor the assistance effectively. The user now inputs their specific context. In this case, a student group used Duke GPT for brainstorming and Grammarly Go for mechanics, while ensuring they reviewed all suggestions critically. AI DiCo analyzes the input and breaks it down into key components: the tools used, the purpose, and the human oversight. It then provides two distinct options, a formal disclosure and a briefer version. Now, the user specifies that this text will appear in a formal project report, prompting AI DiCo to refine the tone. AI DiCo adjusts the output to fit a formal report format, ensuring the language is academic and transparent. Now, the user shifts the context. They need help disclosing the use of Microsoft Copilot for a discussion board post where the tool was used to refine clarity and transitions. AI DiCo synthesizes the information to create a tailored disclosure statement suitable for a discussion forum environment. Finally, the conversation doesn't have to end here. The user can continue asking follow-up questions, like verifying specific citation styles, ensuring they have support through every step of the writing and attribution process. AI DiCo always provides reminders to verify accuracy, avoid uploading sensitive data, and follow course-specific policies. This shows the AI functioning as a co-facilitator of ethical learning rather than an automated writing tool. AI DiCo will be pilot tested with IT specialists, faculty, and graduate students once the Copilot Studio version is approved. In spring 2026, the tool will be introduced in selected nursing education courses to promote AI literacy and transparency. The prototype and early insights will also be shared at the School of Nursing Faculty Retreat in February 2026. This prototype demonstrates how AI can meaningfully support collaborative ethical learning by guiding users through reflective dialogue and transparent authorship practices. What I wanted to highlight today is how a tool like AI DiCo can create space for thoughtful decision-making rather than simply generating text. It encourages students and faculty to pause, reflect, and document their reasoning, which supports a culture of academic integrity. My next steps include continuing to refine the Copilot Studio build, collecting pilot feedback from students and faculty, and making adjustments based on those insights. I also plan to share the concept more broadly within my professional networks, including colleagues who are working on AI policy, digital professionalism, and teaching innovation. The goal is to contribute to ongoing conversations in higher education about how AI can be integrated responsibly and transparently. As the system evolves, I hope to explore additional features that can support reflective practice and responsible AI use across different academic contexts. Thank you for watching.